Have you ever considered coat hooks or coat racks as decor elements? Are you looking for contemporary coat hook and coat rack design ideas? There are several designs you can modify and adapt to your own home or office decor. Stylish coat hooks and coat racks serve both purpose and aesthetics. Coat hooks often go by several names, which include coat rack, entryway organizer, towel rack, key hooks, and so on, based on their location in the house and their specific purposes. Some also serve as towel hooks and are put in bathrooms. Coat hooks and coat racks are often overlooked elements of home decor, yet they serve essential functions in our daily lives. These practical accessories not only help keep our living spaces organized but also add an aesthetic touch to our interiors. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary coat hook and coat rack design ideas you can consider making as mini woodworking projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The concept of coat hooks dates back centuries. Early versions were simple pegs or hooks made from wood or metal, used primarily for hanging garments. In many cultures, these hooks were essential in homes where space was limited, providing a designated spot for outerwear. As society evolved, so did the design and functionality of coat hooks. In the 19th century, with the rise of industrialization, coat hooks began to take on more intricate designs. Metalworking techniques allowed for the creation of decorative hooks that not only served a practical purpose but also acted as artistic elements in homes and public spaces. The Victorian era, in particular, saw an explosion of ornate designs, with hooks made from brass and cast iron. Coat hooks and racks come in various styles, materials, and configurations, each catering to different needs and preferences. 1. Wall-mounted coat hooks. Wall-mounted coat hooks are a popular choice for entryways and hallways. They can be installed at varying heights, making them accessible for both adults and children. These hooks can be made from materials such as wood, metal, or plastic, and they often feature multiple hooks for added functionality. 2. Coat racks. Coat racks are freestanding or wall-mounted units designed to hold multiple garments. They typically include a combination of hooks and shelves, providing space for coats, hats, scarves, and bags. Coat racks can be found in various designs, from minimalist to ornate, and can serve as a statement piece in a room. 3. Over-the-door hooks. Over-the-door hooks are an excellent solution for those with limited wall space. These hooks fit over the top of doors, providing a convenient hanging solution without the need for installation. They are often adjustable and can hold several items, making them ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, or entryways. 4. Decorative hooks. Decorative hooks serve a dual purpose. They are functional and enhance the decor of a space. These hooks can be shaped like animals, plants, or abstract designs, adding a whimsical touch to a room. They are often used in children's rooms, bathrooms, or as accents in living spaces. 5. Custom and DIY hooks. For those who enjoy crafting, custom or DIY coat hooks offer an opportunity for personalization. Using materials like reclaimed wood, metal pipes, or even old tools, individuals can create unique coat hooks that reflect their style and personality. This approach not only adds character to a space but also promotes sustainability. When selecting coat hooks or racks, several design considerations can enhance both functionality and aesthetics. The material of coat hooks and racks plays a significant role in their durability and appearance. Common materials include wood, which offers warmth and natural beauty. Wooden hooks can be stained or painted to match existing decor. Metal, which provides strength and a modern look. Metal hooks can be finished in various colors and textures, including matte, glossy, or brushed finishes. Plastic, which is lightweight and often available in bright colors. Plastic hooks are typically more affordable and suitable for casual settings. The style of coat hooks and racks should complement the overall decor of the space. Consider the following styles. 1. Traditional, ornate metal or wooden hooks with classic designs. 2. Modern, sleek, minimalist hooks with clean lines and geometric shapes. 3. Rustic, hooks made from reclaimed wood or wrought iron, often with a distressed finish. Four. Industrial, metal pipes or brackets that emphasize a raw, unfinished look. Think about how the coat hooks or racks will be used. If you have a large family or frequently host guests, opt for a design that accommodates multiple items. Consider hooks with varying heights to cater to both adults and children. Assess the available space before making a purchase or building one. Measure the area where you plan to install the hooks or racks, and ensure that the design fits without overcrowding the space. Wall-mounted options are great for smaller areas, while freestanding racks can be used in larger entryways. One of the primary benefits of coat hooks and racks is their ability to keep spaces organized. They provide designated spots for coats, bags, and other items, reducing clutter in entryways and living areas. This organization not only makes it easier to find belongings but also creates a more visually appealing environment. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary coat hook and coat rack design ideas you can consider making as mini woodworking projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.